We're going to talk about the possibility formula today, not just the belief systems that you have to have, really the formula where we start really taking action. I want to coach you on all the things. There is no reason why you can't achieve your dreams, and I'm going to help you get through every step of it. You have to make 3 conscious decisions about what you want to do in order to start taking action. And one of the biggest mistakes we see from all of our students is blocking the answer with I don't know. I don't know is a steel door in front of your dreams because you're the one with all the wisdom. You're the one with all the answers. We are literally trained in school to get the answer from a textbook or a teacher. We are not taught to think for ourselves. We don't even know what our dreams are because we don't even know how to hear ourselves think. We don't even know how to access our own wisdom. We don't know how to dive into who we really are. That's what this process is. And I believe, and this is a belief you should have too, that you have exactly what you need within you to honor your dreams. If someone comes to me and they say, I want to feel better, and I say, you need the model, I've lost them. What they want is to feel better fast. The more you can understand what it is they want, that is the most important thing. But you can't just tell them that that's what you're going to give them because what's valuable to them is what they want. You have to decide the value that you're delivering to them, right? And then you find the person who wants that. And you need to know your person who wants what you have. They can't wait to get what you have. She's just waiting for you to find her. But most of you are like, well, here's what's happening. And I'm just trying to make sense of what's happening. You're never going to make money. You have to go make something happen. If I come to work and I stop hiding and I'm going to be able to demonstrate who I am, I'm going to get promoted. I'm going to be more respected. People are going to listen to my ideas. I'm going to be able to make more of a contribution. I'm going to be able to make more money. Someone needs to be someone that wants to pay you money. You just have to go find them. There's so many people that want coaching right now. There's so many people that have money, want to pay for it, want to work on their brains, want to create that value for themselves. And you don't have to convince them. You don't have to have them scrape together money. They have it and they're ready to go. How much money you want to make? What value do you want to create? Who do you want to create it for? You must know these 3 things. Once you know these 3 things and you've decided on them and you've committed to them and they make sense, then you start practicing them. You start offering value to your person until it clicks. All right. Until next time, my friends.